Bonko was shocked to hear Owe to admit that she wanted to run Maruna over with her car, but in front of her parents she denied it. And Bonko gets served to retract her public statement about the collaboration between Revelations and Genesis. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Genesis. So, after Owe to try to run Maruna over with her car, Wendy and her daughters went to Kwahlope and told them what happened, but Owe denied everything. And then they decided to go to the Tabetes to explain to them what happened. Bonko could not believe it, saying Owe would not hurt a fly. And seeing this, Wendy was like, you know what, I'm not going to lose Akolobangwana because of this event. Yaluna, Munseng, remove her from Tonyana Eyalina. Felicia is now shocked. Oh, man, what are you saying? I'm saying I'm not going to lose my child over this. Mtang Maruna on this thing because Owetuyana Luna o Jezabel o Nyako Bulangwanak. And then now this is going to cost them losing Maruna from seeing on their tour on the event, because now they're defending Owe saying Owe would not do this. And then now they realize, hey, this thing is going to cost them. And then Owen also implied that maybe you guys sent her to come and kill Maruna, because what is this that she did? How can she come to my house and just decide to run my child over like that? Munseng, please. Bonko and Maruna keep on locking eyes. And then Felicia speaks to Bonko saying, once again, I saw Lentobega Dienzega between when and no Maruna busy looking us business flats at a pambugate in Jolangamel. You need to fix this, Bonko. And she asks, do you think Maruna Owe to Yenzelele? Bonko thinks Owe would not do it. But Felicia is like, what if they're right? What if she did it? Pela, patient crime is real. And Abantu, people that I had can do a lot of unimaginable things. And then Bonko decides, you know what, I'm not going to just listen to them because I'm just going to go and talk to Owe to myself and hear from her exactly what happened. I go Bonko to go speak to Owe2. When she gets to Owe2, Owe2 is so chilled and you're in a good mood today. And then she asks her, Babu Marona no Mawake, they were at the house saying she wanted to run her over with your car. Is this true? As Owe2 did not even flinch, she just said, yes, I did. Kule game by Kamba mang. Bonko was shocked because what is Owe to say? What is this? Owe is just admitting to crime. At yes, and I believe I was just speeding up the process because Umaruna said to me that she will only stop sleeping with you when she's dead. So I was speeding up the process kusa vela femasinya. And vele mambona when you go sleep with her again, I'm still not done with her. Every time I see her, it's going down. I was shocked to Bonko could say this has become too much for him now. And now, Wendy no Mpumi, they're worried about Umaruna saying she's traumatized. Even Bumi suggesting that maybe she must go and be with her at her apartment. And then Gabriela arrives saying he wants to sign Umpumi Revelations as a songwriter. Mpumi is like, Ukraka book ya Gabriel. Mama hire when does it matter? Mutonyo go over contract. Wendy took Mpumi's book and went to give it to Gabriel. And then Miss Hadebe goes to hand over summons to Gabriel, telling him he needs to retract his public statement that he made. There's a collaboration between Revelation and Genesis because it's not happening. So he must make a public statement and retract it because it's not going to happen. And then Nandi is going to Rustenburg to tell her parents about the pregnancy. Ufistos is busy here. Ufistos even bought a blanket and a whiskey, wanting to give it to Nandi must give it to her parents. And she has the way Fistos is so invested in this pregnancy, even offering to drive Nandi, saying you can't drive alone. I tell you when I'm just pregnant, Sakikuli. And then Fistos Matlisa gives her money and for the road, was in case she craves something. That's so sweet of him. And then now he's thinking about damages and lobola. But Ishmael is like, hi man, just pay for damages. You can't be paying lobola, but a marriage is a big thing. You can't be already thinking about a marriage. Just pay for damages so you can be a present father. Leza malobola no ngatu yakakame. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.